Not Russian me, but I live in Russia, and Russia's rivers gave me strength. I grew as oak tree on the mountains, and now I'm free. I know and I'm strong. I'm so proud of my own life, and with the Russians we got one fate. For countries in deeds and glory we lived with Russian. Brothers signs olden times from far away here. Moscow hears my friendly voice and help us as he trouble came. And Russian brother, what on earth can be dearer? His own fate with mine forever done. Not Russian me, but I live in Russia, and be myself forever proud. I give you 5 of my leaves, and still it wouldn't be too much. Forever in the grave there when die.